viewers, welcome to my channel. Friends, I'm Rahul Mondal, expert in Google Analytics for tracking, server-side tracking, Google Ads conversion tracking, Facebook API conversion, LinkedIn tracking, etc. If you are looking for all of this service, you can contact me. You will get my email and WhatsApp number in the description. So let's get started. This is the first tutorial of Facebook Conversion API. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Google Tag Manager account. So create a Google Tag Manager account, come to your Google Chrome and search Google Tag Manager. Click on Google Tag Manager here. At the beginning, if you are creating a Google Tag Manager at the first time, you will face this interface. So click on this create account, and now you have to give a account name. So I will give my account name. For this website I am creating this account, so this is a cosmetic website, so I am giving this name. And select your country here. Then select this share data anonymously with Google and others. You can share it, you can read it. Enable benchmarking by sharing your data in an anonymous form. So Google takes the data, that's why check this box. And now come to the container setup. You can paste the URL of your website, so I will do that. I will paste this URL of my website and paste it, and remove the HTTPS slashes. I have removed this, and I'm creating web container, and there are many. You can create iOS, Android, AMP server. So I will track events from website, that's why I'm creating web container. If you want to create events from iOS, Android, AMP and server, so you can create that container. So I'm creating web, so click on web and create. Now here you just accept it data and click on yes. Now the Google Tag Manager account has been created.